Welcome to our channel UK Visa and Immigration Updates. Today's video is regarding 7 years child route. We will discuss how to become legal in the UK under the 7 years child route. An application for stay in the UK on the basis of 7 years child route is made under Appendix Private Life of the Immigration Rules. The criteria for these applications are that the child is under 18 years old and is in the UK, that the child has lived in the UK for at least 7 years immediately prior to the application, not counting any time in prison, and it would be unreasonable to expect the child to leave the UK. Settlement under 7 years child residence route. A child who was born and lived in the UK for 7 years will immediately qualify for indefinite leave to remain after completing 7 years of continuous residence, and a child who entered the UK as a minor and completed 7 years residence while still under 18 can apply for limited leave to remain under 5 years route to settlement. Family members of the child who has completed 7 years residence. Parent and minor siblings of the child who has completed 7 years child residence can also apply for leave to remain at same time. The family members will be granted leave to remain for 30 months under 10 years route to settlement, which means they will qualify for ILR after they have completed 10 years of lawful residence in the UK under Appendix Private Life of the Immigration Rules. You may need the following evidence: your child's passport and birth certificate, that you have an active role in your child's upbringing and that you plan to continue to do so in the future, that the child has integrated into the British society, your child's school letter, your child's school progress reports, letter from the dentist, letter from the GP, evidence if the child has any medical needs, the child have any extended family in the UK. Application form. You must apply online using FLR, FP, form and pay the correct fee. You may also make further submissions if you are asylum seeker or failed asylum seeker and your claim is still pending for a decision. Application fee. The current application fee for FLR, FP, application is £1,048 and immigration health surcharge is £1,560 for 2.5 years leave. Please check the correct fee on www.gov.uk when applying. Fee waiver. You are eligible for a fee waiver if you cannot afford the fee, you are destitute, you are at risk of being destitute, and you would become destitute by paying the fee, your income is not enough to meet your child's additional needs. If your application is refused. If your application for leave to remain in the UK on the basis of a child is refused, you may have a right of appeal. If in case there is no right of appeal because the Home Office may certify your claim as clearly unfounded. Certifying a claim means you do not have the right of appeal against the refusal in the UK. If in case you do not have the right to appeal, you may wish to consider a judicial review. If your application is successful. If you are successful in your application, you will receive leave to remain in the UK for 2.5 years on 10 years settlement route. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get timely notification of upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.